Today's video is about FreeCAD versus Ondsel, two popular CAD platforms. Choosing the right CAD software can transform your design workflow without unnecessary complexity. We'll briefly cover both FreeCAD and Ondsel to help you decide. FreeCAD and Ondsel serve the CAD community but differ in approach. FreeCAD is an open source parametric modeler, while Ondsel is a cloud-based CAD platform focused on accessibility and collaboration. The core difference lies in FreeCAD's offline flexibility versus Ondsel's online convenience. FreeCAD is a free open-source parametric 3D CAD modeler designed for a wide range of engineering and design tasks. It operates primarily as desktop software, allowing users to create precise models by modifying parameters, which updates the entire design automatically. FreeCAD supports various file formats and offers extensive tools for parts design, mesh editing, and drafting. Its modular architecture enables users to extend functionality with plugins and custom scripts. Strengths include its zero cost, strong community support, and flexibility for detailed engineering projects. It excels in mechanical design, product development, and educational use. However, FreeCAD's interface can be less intuitive for beginners, and performance depends on local hardware. Collaboration requires manual file sharing or external version control. Ideal users are engineers, hobbyists, and students who prefer a powerful, customizable CAD tool without subscription fees and are comfortable managing local installations and updates. Ondsel is a cloud-based CAD platform designed to simplify 3D modeling with an emphasis on accessibility and real-time collaboration. Being web-based, it requires no installation and runs directly in browsers, making it easy to access from any device. Ondsel offers intuitive modeling tools suitable for both beginners and professionals, with features like parametric design, version control, and integrated sharing options. Its strengths lie in seamless teamwork, automatic updates, and cross-platform availability. Ondsel is ideal for teams working remotely or clients needing quick access to models without complex software setups. The cloud infrastructure also means less dependency on local hardware performance. Limitations include reliance on stable internet connections and subscription-based pricing. It may lack some advanced features found in traditional CAD software, making it less suitable for highly detailed engineering tasks. Ondsel fits users who prioritize collaboration, ease of access, and cloud convenience, such as design teams, educators, and freelancers needing flexible CAD solutions. Comparing FreeCAD and Ondsel reveals distinct trade-offs. FreeCAD offers powerful offline parametric modeling with extensive customization, perfect for detailed engineering projects needing precision and control. It requires local installation and hardware resources, which may challenge new users but rewards those seeking full functionality without ongoing costs. Ondsel, in contrast, shines with cloud-based accessibility and real-time collaboration. It suits teams and users needing quick, device-independent access and simplified sharing. However, its reliance on internet connectivity and subscription fees can be drawbacks, especially where offline work or complex modeling is essential. For example, a mechanical engineer designing intricate parts might prefer FreeCAD's depth and offline reliability. Meanwhile, a distributed design team working on conceptual models benefits from Ondsel's collaborative features and ease of use. Ultimately, the choice depends on whether offline power or online flexibility aligns better with your workflow. Choose FreeCAD if you need a robust, free, parametric CAD tool for detailed projects and prefer working offline with full control over your designs. Ondsel is the better choice for teams or individuals, valuing cloud access, collaboration, and ease of use across devices. Its online platform streamlines sharing and updates, making it ideal for flexible, modern CAD workflows. Pick Ondsel for convenience and team